Hey, Motorman here with my tip of the week. You know, I do a lot of U-turn videos, and of course there's always people that have something to say. Some of them being a smart ass, and some of them they really want to know this. And they tell me, well, you always do this stuff in a level parking lot. What happens if you gotta make a U-turn on a hill? It's gotta be a whole different ball game. They get panicked and they're going crazy. So I'm gonna show you that nothing changes when you're going uphill. This is my driveway here. It's pretty steep, I know, because I walk it a bunch of times per day. So I'm going to show you the U-turn. The techniques are not going to change. Head and eyes, friction zone, little bit of rear brake, nothing to it. Maybe a little bit more throttle when you're doing this on a hill, and maybe a little bit more pressure on the rear brake. But don't try this on a hill if you can't do it on level ground. So here it goes. In fact, I'm going to do it going up the hill, and I'm going to do it coming down the hill. As you can see, it's head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. This is not brain surgery, folks, but this is not something you want to practice until you could do it on level ground. Once you could do it on level ground, that means the technique is not going to change. You could do it on regular ground. We show this all in the Ride Like a Pro video. It's a step-by-step approach. Come on, folks, $19.95, 20 bucks, you got to be kidding me. You spend 25 grand on a bike and not one penny on learning how to ride it? That's crazy. We'll change your life. There's going to be two things you're going to do before you get to the U-turn. Practice those two things and the U-turn will come very easy, I know, because it's exactly what I do in my class. Inside of 20 minutes, I've got every rider making U-turns easily. 20 minutes. Till next week.